Today we're going to restore a headlight on our Toyota Sienna. First step, we're going to protect the paint around the headlight using the masking tape. Same thing on the other side. We applied masking tape around the headlight, 8 grit sanding disc. We need to get a clear white glass on the headlight. This is main result what we can get, what we need to get. And now we are going to start the sanding the headlight using 800 grit sanding disc. Don't forget during the sanding, don't forget to spray the water. Don't forget using PPE, safety glasses. Don't forget spraying water. So we finished sanding the right side using 800 grit sanding disc, and now we're starting the same process on the left side. I like roughly 3 times applied the sanding disc. Now we continue with the 1500 grit. It's already for polishing, basically polishing disc. So the first step is just sanding the headlight. The second steps, it's just polishing. So we're gonna polish with the 1500 grit polishing disc. We continue with 1500 polishing disc on the left side. Continue with 2000 grit polishing pad. So we are polishing our left side with the 2000 grit polishing disc. Finishing the process with polishing compound with the polishing pad. There's some leftovers over here. Okay. Applying polishing. Now we do the same thing on the other side. We're finishing the process, so removing the tape. Wash it out. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe our channel.